Hey guys, so this is me putting in some insulation. These cars can get loud on the highway, and also it does get cold, so I'm just putting in some insulation underneath the fresh carpet that's been washed. It is time consuming, but it's definitely something that will be worth it in the end. So because I'm in Turkey, I've been looking for Dynamat material, but it's been hard to find, so I found this material. It's not the same kind of structure, but it's better than putting nothing. It's kind of like an aluminium foil with like a rubbery thing inside. So it's just gonna have to do for now. So that actually took quite a while. I'm now putting in the carpet, which is normally a hard procedure because the carpet kind of goes underneath the dash, but this carpet's been kind of cut on the edges and it kind of just slips under the dash, which has made it a lot easier. I've put in the interior, I've put the carpet back in, I've put some components in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So now it's time to check the seats and give them a bit of a clean. One side was flooded, so the rails are kind of rusted. I just need to clean it up. That's what it looks like. So I've just got to clean up those seats, oil it up, make sure it works fine. There's a few bolts missing, so I'm guessing someone tried pulling it out at one stage and failed and just left it boltless. So I've got to find a bolt. Besides that, all is good. I'll probably clean that up. I am going to get the seats wrapped, but not now. I want to get the car registered first. So once it's registered, then I can go around and get quotes as I drive the car to a few shops. So that's what I'm hoping for. We'll just get it looking decent for now and take it from there. And besides that, I've ordered some speakers, just two standard two-way speakers. So yeah, let's just open the box and see what we've got. So with the seats, I'm temporarily just putting these in this condition, but I am going to be upholstering them. I'm thinking black with red stitching, and I think it would look nice, including the steering wheel and the shift boot. But yeah, this is just temporary for now, so I can ride it around. Hey guys, the garage is a mess. Just an update video. I've finally got the seats upholstered. That's how they look. Got the red stitching. And also the shift thing is also upholstered. And matching that with the steering wheel. It's also got red stitching. So I'm just going to put that steering wheel back on. Most likely, I might leave these parts out because the right hand side window is not working. The electric wiring might have a problem, so I'm going to look into that. I might just put the driver's seat in for now and the steering wheel, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so we've got the steering wheel in. Looks pretty decent. And the seat. I think it gives it a nice touch. And then once we're done with the electrics on that side, we'll put that seat in. Okay, so That's how she looks. It's kind of how it will look with the shift knob. I'm not going to bolt it in now, but that's the look, and I think I like it. Okay guys, so I've jacked up the car. Just going to show you guys the damage underneath. So these chassis rails on these model, on this model Mx5, they always rust on the chassis rails. It's because they made 2 layers and water gets in between. And the side is a lot worse. Don't know if you can see that. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna cut it out, re-weld new sheet metal into that, and it should be fine. See it much better now. We'll take this out, take that side out, and we'll take it from there. So I've managed to clean up this side a little bit. Just going to do a little bit more. Today I'll be changing the old soft top with the new soft top on the Mazda MX5. So I'm not going to show you guys step by step how to do it, but just a few updates on what I'm doing. So I've got the rain rail there. Just applied some glue on some little bits which look like they need a bit of refreshing, and we're going to put it onto this now. This is also a good time to paint up little parts which I'm taking off, so just to make them look fresh. This was really bad. It goes somewhere here. It's all good now. That's the first coat and it's already looking good. Just wait up for a second coat. Side's fine. Don't think I'll do this. Oh, actually it's got a bit of fade here. We'll see. Thanks for watching. I've got some interesting projects coming up soon. Stay tuned.